Lucas in the Kitchen is done with strict adult supervision and assistance. Do not attempt anything you see without an adult's permission and supervision. Thank you.
Hi, this is Lucas and this is my daddy. And this is Lucas in the Kitchen. The first thing you do is wash your hands with soap and warm water. Be sure to rub your hands together for 20 seconds. Have an adult get a plate and spraying knife. Now let's make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. First get your favorite jam or jelly. I like grape, it's my favorite. Do you like crunchy or creamy? Then you get the bread. Take out 2 pieces of bread and put them on your plate. Make sure you twist the bread really tight. You may need a grown-up help to undo the peanut butter lid. Make sure your grown-up helps get your peanut butter on the spraying knife. Be very careful when you're spreading it. There you go, all covered. You can scrape the extra peanut butter off on the jar. Close it back up real tight. Remember, righty tighty. Next comes the jelly. Mine comes in a squeeze bottle. Sometimes it makes a sound and it's funny. Spread it all over. Put both slices together. All done, time to eat. This is delicious. You can have your grown-up cut your sandwich into big or small triangles. Leave it as a big square. Or cut it into little squares. What shapes do you like? Make sure you leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!